Infinity Castle is going to be 2.5 hours long. It's going to be cool. The trailer dropped and there's some cool close-ups of the characters. So let's draw Tanjiro. Landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause, we go to fast. Big, shocked Tanjiro eyes. Because he's in the demon stronghold. Up. Over. And down. We just get the general shape. These are like real thick and spiky like eyelid lines. But we'll just get the shape in first. The bottom is kind of like this, right? So that's like the shape for his eye. And the top one, so we'll thicken it up. So it's like spiky here, spiky in the corner, and then we'll bring it over. Like that. And then they add like an extra sort of, what do they do? It's normally like boom, that way. And then there, right? And then it's just pure black inside. Eyes, kind of angular pupils, so it's not like a perfect circle, so it like has corners on it, you know. So it goes that way, there, boop. Okay, and then pupil in there. It's just white, right? So he has sort of dark purple eyes, right? But we get this sort of radius, or kind of like a little spiky radial pattern coming around the bottom of the eye where the shine or the purple is inside, like a lighter color. So it's all sort of dark around there. You can color it black, but it can be like a slightly purple black in there if you were looking for the authentic sort of color of his eyes. So I keep thinking that's dirt, but maybe for the purposes of this I will just color it black. You could do it sort of really dark purple if you wanted though. He's got some like stress lines around the butt, you know, he would be stressed obviously, but lines like that. And then he's got like that like big spiky eyebrow, right? And it's kind of got lots of angles on it, so it goes like boom that way first. He's frowning heavy, kind of changes direction, and then it goes up and then spikes back, right? This is like thick, dark, spiky. Spiky eyebrow. Right, and then a bit of an eyelid line, sort of in here, and then coming around the back. Like so. Some wrinkles just on the brow and the nose. Heavy sort of frowns. And something sort of there on his nose. Do this over here. So we'll start his eyelid line about there. It's not an eye width. So his eyes are wider than the distance between them. So I'd say it's probably like 3/4 of his eye, or like this spike to like the inside of his pupil. This side of the color part of his eye, like this circle, here to here is probably the same as here to here, roughly. It's just their proportion that they use. And then we go up and down. And then the bottom eyelid, again, it's kind of like a V sort of shape, shallow V. And it can be sort of thicker in the middle sometimes. And then we add the spikes. And then it just goes over the top. And add a couple of eyelashes off the ends of it, kind of just like extra spikes. And then we'll go black in here. Boop. Angled iris. I always think like the Flintstones wheel of their car. I'd say no one knows what the Flintstones is now. And then the white of his eye. Another angled sort of, kind of like a diamond or something, that kind of shape. And then we have the black shadow. Zigzagging around. Now remember, pause button if I'm moving too fast. Color black. Stress lines around the eye. A couple of frowns, wrinkles, and his eyebrow also. So eyebrow again, big spike. That sort of thing. And it's real spiky at the end, but it gets darker, like thicker. Down the front. Oop. Right, and then there's an eyelid line. And a frown. Right, his nose, so very simple nose and Demon Slayer, they just do nostrils really. Nostril there, there. And then they do the hatching sort of on the nose. So his mouth gritting his teeth, top line bumping up and down like that. Looks like his mouth is closed, but we'll open it up, and it's just white on the inside. Very small mouth. And then Demon Slayer have that triangle. It's like Superman's crest or something, just there. That shape. And then his chin. Like so. So Tanjiro doesn't have like a Dragon Ball sort of strong jaw. It's like a gradual curve. It's like a wine glass sort of shape. Or like a cup, you know, or something. Wine glass, I think, would be the most appropriate. And it goes like about to here, right? And it'll curve around. So just beside, say, just like over a little bit from his eyelid. So this will go like down to there. And you want to gradually curve it around. So you can start either side, doesn't really matter. Because I'm right-handed, it's kind of easier to go that way. Okay, so that sort of shape, same shape on the other side. Okay. And this comes all the way around for his hairline. So we're extreme close-up, right? So his forehead is like, you know, it's right up. He's got these sort of V's for his hair right up at the top of my page here. All those zigzag sort of lines. And then it goes down. that. It's like a mask. And then he has his mark, right? So it was a scar. It's on the opposite side. This must be, oh, this is, okay. So this is interesting. I never even realized this looking at the image. Because this is in a reflection in a Kaz's eye, his mark is over this side. That's a good attention to detail. That is, I never even noticed. His mark's usually here. But we're actually looking, this is like an image in a Kaz's eyeball. Cool. Right, so we got these spikes. Demon Slayer changed the anime game, I gotta say. Right, and then I remember watching the finale of the first season, it blew my mind. Right, so that's his sort of mark, and then his hair, right? So we've got hair spikes, like they cover his ears, right? So kind of beside his eyelash. We'll do the first one. I don't know how many times I've drawn Tanjiro. Over 20 anyway. Iconic. Right, and the ears then come down from here. And we put in some ear lines. I think Zenitsu is my favorite character though. Right. We'll finish the hair spikes, so we'll just go. There is black lines in it, but maybe I'll draw them in just so we know, because they do like an intense black sort of shadow on his hair. So I might just add them. This goes like, starts to curve back now. So we get like this kind of stuff. Like his fringe starts to go back that way. Like on each of his sort of hair spikes. I think up there, they're not all visible, but I think they all just go back that way. And then another hair spike here. And this seems to go up and into there. So that maybe joins this one in there. And then we'll do one more. Just gone off that way. So the shadows in it are kind of characteristic, right? So I will draw them in. So we'll just go like, follow this, nice red. And then there's like a little spike, like a lightning sort of thing happening in here. Boom. Right, so inside here is like very dark, and then the outsides are like that burgundy sort of red color. Do you know what I mean? So say like here. So it's like black in there, browny black, and then this. it looks like they just like go around here. Boom, black, red, black, red, black, red. Okay, I can see a bit more of his ear in there and there as well. Earrings, circle, circle, and then this sort of floating rectangle gone this way, right? And then the other one going a different direction. It can be random because they're like fluttering around as he moves. Okay. And then these have stripes on the top and the bottom. And it is a Japanese symbol of the sun hitting the land. The sun. The thing we owe existence to. Right, so he's got like a couple of little hair spikes just at the back of his neck, actually, like here. 2 of them. Right, and then his collar of his green and black kimono goes this way. And then his shoulders just sort of float off down there. And then, oh yeah, the sword. Don't forget that, right? Coming up onto his face. We can just see the pointy top of it. And then there's like a shiny part and a black part. Of course, he'd erased like that part of his jaw. And then his collar. The white part first. There, and then we got like lines coming down the middle of it. Got a button. And like some folding lines there. Like here on his armpit, there's fold lines. And then the boxes for his green and black. So you're just sort of following shape for his body. Black, and then black, black, green, green, and then boop. And I think that's it. Tanjiro, Infinity Castle. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.